guys! Good afternoon! My gosh, hapon na. Siguro mga 1:30 na and in 3 minutes darating na si Dan. I just finished filming a video. Iyon yung get ready with me with the rant video. And then after that, I was planning to film favorites video, pero si Dan, tumawag siya kanina, sabi niya, gusto mong sumama sa akin, pupunta ako, bibili ako ng bread. So, I was like, sure, we'll see. Di ko alam kung sasama ako sa kanya, or if i-film ko yung favorites ko. And tapos, mamaya, darating yung pamilya niya, kasi dito kami magde-dinner. You guys, oh my gosh, malapit ako mahulog. I just finished filming my favorites video, and niligpitan ko na siya. This time, niligpitan ko na siya, as in ngayon na talaga. Kasi, darating mamaya yung pamilya ni Dan. As in, sila lahat. And hindi naman ganun kalaki yung, like, malaki yung bahay niya. Pero hindi siya as in sobrang laki. Like, yung table namin, ano lang, meron namin, inangkin ko na rin yung table. Hindi! Merong 6 chairs lang yung table ni Dan. Pero meron kami isang table sa, merong isang table dun sa room na gagamitan namin. Chinek ko lang yung teeth ko, baka may lipstick, you know what I mean. Naliligpitan ko na to lahat. Anong oras na ba? Stress ko. Oh, 3 pa. So, mamaya, in an hour, i-on ko ulit yung, salsa. No, salsa! Pasta sauce. Bakit salsa? Wait. So yeah. Oh, by the way, you guys, this top, I really like it. Feature ko siya sa favorites ko kasi sobrang gusto ko siya. Look at that. Hindi siya pumupunta dito. Di ba most off-shoulders na pumupunta dito kapag ginaganon mo yung kamay mo? Pero this one stays here. I really do like it. Full yung memory ko. Bye. Lumabas nga pala kami kanina. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kasi chinarge ko tong battery ko. Pero bumili kami ng sourdough bread. Yes, ito yung lagi naman kinakain kapag pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya, kapag nagdi-dinner kami doon. And sinasawsaw siya sa olive oil with balsamic vinegar. Yummer. Sobrang yummer. With butter. Nasaan yung butter namin? Bumili din kami ng spreadable butter. And then si Dan, bumili din tong Oreo. Kasi on sale. 99 cents at 99 cents ata to. So yeah, mura lang. Di ako mahilig sa Oreo. Dami ako hindi mahilig. Anyway, I'm gonna do final touches. Hala, ipapalagay ko na kay Dan yung yung table. Kasi kailangan namin ng table. Feeling ko tatanggalin ko yung makeup ko. I'm definitely not gonna wear this dark lipstick. Pero, siguro I'm gonna keep my eye makeup. I'm not sure. We'll see. Malalaman nyo yan mamaya. Pero yung lipstick, tatanggalin ko siya kasi parang too dark. Tapos, medyo, tingnan nyo, medyo naging tsaka siya. Kumain kasi ako kanina ng meat pie. Yung merong mushroom at saka chorba. Nang lumabas kami, kumain ako ng meat pie kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Sobrang nabisi ako kanina. Nag-film ako. Yan. And, yeah. Tapos, parang ngarag na ako. Kasi diba, pupunta dito lahat ng pamilya niya. Yung kuya niya pupunta dito. Anyway, hindi ako magli-lipstick. Pero I'm gonna keep my makeup. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-vava-boom na makeup eh. Just the lipstick. Kasi alam ko pagkatapos ko kumain, magiging tsaka siya. And also, while kakain ako, I'm pretty sure magta-transfer siya sa pasta. Pero I really like the color. Sobra. Ganito na nga pala yung itsura ng sauce. Tinulungan kami ng mama niya kagabi na lutuin to. So, iinitan ko lang yan. Super low lang nung super low lang niya. As in, sobrang low lang. And, siguro 2 hours ko yan isi-simmer ng ganyan. Oh, sabi nga pala ng mama niya, i-open ng konti. Para lumabas daw yung steam. Ganon. Should I remove my lipstick, babe?
No.
Should I change it?
No.
Do I look alright?
Yeah.
Or do I look like I have too much on my face?
You're fine.
You're not being serious.
Huh?
You have lipstick on your lips. You do. Look it. Oh, you guys! I wanted to share with you this one. I got this yesterday. It's Teami. This one is like just loose tea. Yung wala siya sa bag. Tapos ito, mayroon siya yung tea bag. No, not yet. They'll be here in 3 hours, babe. Nilalabas niya yan lahat ng pinggan at saka mga ingay-ingay. So, ito, tinake niya kanina kasi need to take this in the morning. Oh, by the way, this is 30-day what is this, babe? Detox. 30-day detox. And yung nagtitake nito actually si Dan. Kasi it's like a weight loss something. Ito oh, 30-day detox pack. So, meron siya nung skinny tea at saka nung colon tea. So, 15 tea bags. This one you need to take at night, once every 2 days. Tapos this one every morning for 30 days. So, yeah, 1 teaspoon lang nito. We started this morning. I mean, he started this morning. And also, it came with this really cute thingy right here. So, dito mo nilalagay yung loose na tea. Tapos, ilalagay mo sa baso mo or whatever. So, instead of bringing coffee sa work, yung dinadala niya is yung tea. Kanina siya nagsimula. So, we will finish the 30 days and see kung anong ganap. Hindi pa siya tumatakbo after nung pneumonia niya. Lagi niya sinasabi tatakbo siya, hindi niya ginagawa. So, kaloka. We'll see kung this works. So, yeah. I will leave their links below because I think I have a code for you guys. I'm not sure though. We'll see. They did send this to me, by the way. And gusto ko siya itry para kay Dan, not para sa akin. So, we'll see if that works. Nakauwi na silang lahat. It was a successful dinner. Wala ka dito. Hindi ko makikita ang OA mo.
Exactly.
Exactly your face.
Exactly.
Layo ng layo. Hindi naman. Wala naman sa frame! Nakauwi na sila. Sarap na. In fairness, babe, we had a really good sauce.
It was
good.
one of our better ones.
It was good, yeah, I like it. Do we still have some left? Yeah, it's in the fridge?
Bowl full of it. Someone must put it in the fridge.
Yeah. Tumulong din yung mama niya pagligpit after namin kumain. Pero yeah, it was a long night and I'm so tired. And I did the dishes. I mean, not all of it. Dan did most of it. Pero yung inahunugasan ko yung mga malalaking malalaking kaldero na lutuan namin ng sauce at saka ng ng kamay ko, parang now it's so weak yung kamay ko. Magre-reply sana ako sa comments. Excuses! Pero, no, seriously. Yung kamay ko, ito yung tinatype ko eh. Parang super, ano ba tawag doon? Super weak niya. Anyway, I need to wash my face. Yeah, I need to wash my face. Magmamask ako tonight. Kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang magmask. Oh, and you guys, I did remove my eye makeup before sila dumating. Kasi sabi ni Dan, kung malapitan daw, tsaka daw. Panira tong taong pakaloka. Hello, I have this mask on, yung Gelato Rub-In mask. Ito. And I've had this on for, I think, 30 minutes now, or maybe no, 25 minutes. I'm watching Trisha's vlog. Gusto ko lang mag-chill today kasi I had a really long night. Sobrang laki ng tulong ng mama niya. As in, sobrang bait ng mama niya. Pumunta siya dito kagabi para tulungan kami na lutuin yung sauce. Tapos ngayong gabi, siya yung last na umuwi kasi tinulungan niya kami na gawin yung dishes. Ang bait-bait. Grabe. Anyway, si Dana nanonood ng YouTube videos and then I need to do the laundry. I think I need to do 3 loads of laundry. Tapos kailangan kong i-fold yung mga... Hindi ko alam kung tutulungan ako noon. Kasi kapag nasa YouTube na yun, wala na. Nasa YouTube na siya. Nasa YouTube world na siya, kaloka. I don't expect any tulong naman from him. Especially laundry kasi I like doing it myself. Kapag basta, I'm kind of like a control freak when it comes to like doing that. And then kapag paglilinis, I just don't think na like nalilinis niya ng maayos kapag siya. You know what I mean? Though it doesn't make sense kasi like it's a freaking washing machine. But I just feel like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my face. Hindi ko kayo wala kayong mapaglagyan eh. So I need to turn you off and then I'm gonna wash this off and then apply my toner, whatever. Good morning, guys! I was Snapchatting today. It's been a long time since ano nangyari sa boses ko? Since I visited Snapchat, as in sobrang tagal na, hindi ko na alam kung ilang weeks na, siguro 2 weeks? I do not know. But, a second day na ng second day na ng skinny tea na Dan, and then tonight, he will take one of the colon teas. So, yeah, so ipiprepare ko lang to. Yung kailangan mo is 1 teaspoon lang ng skinny tea. So, ilalagay mo yung loose tea dito. Like that. I like to add like a little more. Mga ganyan. Okay. And then, i-close mo siya. Then, ilalagay mo siya sa tubig. Oh, wait. I'm gonna add honey nga pala. Pure honey siya. Binigay siya ng... Ewan ko, kasama ni Dan sa trabaho. Or parang client niya ata yung nagbigay. I'm not sure. Pero yan, nilalagyan ko ng honey yung tea niya kasi para hindi naman ganun katsaka yung lasa. Kasi I personally don't like tea. Because, I don't know, I just don't like hot tea. I mean, I can drink like cold tea. Pero yung hot tea, not a big fan. Ano bang tawag dito, you guys? Sa mga umiinom ng tea, ano bang tawag dito? Hindi ko kasi alam. Sa Snapchat sabi ko parang diffuser something. But I don't think it's diffuser. Parang yung diffuser, parang iba yun eh. Pero whatever. So, I'm gonna... So, ilalagay ko na siya. Ooh. It's kind of bubbling. You can't see it, but yeah. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dyan for 5 minutes. And then, iinumin na to ni Dan later. Tapos ako, I will prepare my coffee. Do you guys like honey? Kasi ako, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa honey din. Ang dami kong hindi gusto sa buhay, kaloka. Ang dami kong kaartihan pagdating sa mga pagkain. Ayoko ng... Ewan ko ba? Basta. Dami kong ayaw. Magto-toast din ako or kami. I-include ko na lang si Dan. Nasa bed pa eh. Tamad yung taong yun kapag weekend. Ito yung sourdough bread na binili namin kahapon. Hindi siya naubos kagabi. Pero sobrang yummers niya. Lagyan mo siya ng butter, yung spreadable na butter. Tapos, balsamic vinegar tsaka oil. Yummers. Look at this, you guys. Ito yung sauce from kagabi. Marami pa kaming natira. And kumuha ako ng konting sauce. Nilagay ko siya dito. Tapos naglagay kami ng 4 na eggs on top. And then, yeah. We'll see kung anong kakalabasan nito. Ito yung sinabi ng kuya ni Dan kagabi and ng mama niya din na pwede mong gawin ng ganito yung sauce the day after. So, parang idea din siya para magamit yung sauce kasi nga ang daming sauce na natira. So, that's what it looks like right now. Oh my gosh, it's looking good. Yes. This is what it looks like. Half kami dalawa. Ha, yummers. What do you say, babe?
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo! You guys, medyo walang ganap yung weekend namin. Aalis kami mamayang gabi pa. Manonood daw kami ng movie, tapos kakain sa Filipino restaurant. Pero, ngayon, walang ganap. So, I'm thinking, I will take a bath. Meron akong mga bath soap dito. Hindi ko pa as in na-try yung hot tub ni Dan kasi hindi pa ako bath. I always take showers. I'm gonna use these bath salts. Yep. Right here. Nabili ko sa Target from True Spa. It's cucumber and aloe. So, exciting. Let's go ahead and try it. Kasi it's like, I think, 2:30 pa or 2 pa ng hapon. And gusto ko maligo. But I was like, you know what? I should take a bath. So, let's go try this bad boy right here. Gagamitan ko din tong bamboo and green tea na bath soap. So, iso-soak mo lang siya dyan. Open ko muna siya. Meron akong dalawa nito eh. Ito isa, cucumber and aloe. So, gagamitin ko tong dalawa. And then, gagamitin ko din to. Siguro half of this. Maybe isa lang. I'm not sure. We'll see. Meron pang isa. Ooh, nice. Hello! I'm gonna put some makeup on kasi manonood kami ng movie diba ngayon. Sabi ni Dan, parang yung papanoodan namin sausage party. Something like that. Hindi ko alam. It's like cartoon. And magda-dinner kami sa Filipino restaurant before that. So, I'm just gonna apply some makeup on my face. Sobrang lamig. I think it's 12 degrees today. My gosh. Malapit na maubos ang aking concealer. Like... Look it. Hindi ako mag-BB cream tonight. So, magko-concealer lang ako under my eyes. Tapos, yun lang. Powder. No, hindi yun lang. Meron pang powder, blush, highlight. Lagi ko nang ginagamit to. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. Ito yung Miracle Sponge from Real Techniques. Available siya sa Sephora PH. Hindi ko alam, meron bang Real Techniques na, yung hindi Sephora ha, meron bang Real Techniques sa mga mall dyan? Yung totoong Real Techniques ha, kasi ang daming Real Techniques na pikoy. Pikoy. Pero yeah, meron ba sa mga mall dyan? Kasi available siya sa Sephora PH and hindi naman siya high-end. Right? Hindi naman high-end yung Real Techniques. Pero yeah, ililive ko yung link below kung gusto nyo lang naman. Si Dan hindi pa naliligo. Pero okay lang naman kasi pagkatapos na maligo, bihis, tapos na. Wala nang kaartihan. Tayo lang ng mga babae. Ang dami-dami nating arte. You guys, look at my lips. Can you see that tint? My goodness. Ito yung ginamit ko, yung Amore or Amore na matte from Milani. Bigay sa akin to ni Nice of All Stuff Nice. I will leave her link below. Shade Obsession. Nilagay ko siya sa lips ko. All over my lips. Tapos tinanggal ko siya. And ito yung tint niya. As in, bongga. Hindi man lang ako nag-wait ng ilang minutes. Like, right after ko siya ilagay, ni-remove ko siya agad-agad. And nag-tint siya, you guys. And hindi din siya nag-transfer at all. Pero hindi ganun ka-even yung tint niya. Like, right here, I can see na parang mas merong color dito. Pero not bad, actually. I tried to kind of even it out, pero wala na. Hindi na siya natatanggal. See? Bongga. Hindi ko alam kung magli-lip liner ba ako para makover lang yung mga... Yes, I will apply lip liner. Ooh, gagamitin ko yung Dopey lip liner from Colourpop. Ito din na feature ko sa favorites ko. Bakit ganon? Hindi ko yan gagalawin kasi baka mahulog. Tingnan nyo. Yeah.
They're full.
They're open 24/7.
Everything's taken. Look this one.
Yeah. This is close?
I don't know.
They look close. Pupunta kami sa Mexican restaurant. Ooh, look at that dress, babe. The black one. Oh, it's not a dress, it's a top and skirt. Pupunta sana kami sa Filipino restaurant, but it's closed. So we will go to the Mexican one instead.
Across the road, right there.
We're here at Montezuma's. The taste of Mexico. Tasty.
Taste of Mexico. I can just feel it.
Someone said in the video that we should go to the restaurant and then try their food and tell them what we recommend.
Because Daniel really likes food.
Yeah, he will order everything. Well, we're broke. We can't order everything.
We're bored.
He got the burrito with, that looks really good, Spanish rice, and then I got nachos. Yummers! Kain tayo! We're waiting for our cinema to open. Ang cute ng ano nila dito, setup nila dito. It's very like, what do you call this? Kind of like, I want to say Victorian.
Nah, it's Art Deco.
What?
Art Deco.
Art Deco?
That's what this is called.
Really?
Yeah.
So this print right here, it's like...
The design, the building.
Okay, I'll show you guys. Look at
Show
that. Doon kami pupunta yung, nandun yung cinema namin. And then here, it looks really cool. And then the floors, like that. And then the chairs. And then the bay.
Okay.
We will watch, what's the movie we'll watch, babe? Sausage Killer? What is it?
Sausage Party.
Sausage Party. It's kind of like a cartoon. It's not kind of like, it's a cartoon movie, right? I'm not really into that, but we'll see. It should be fun. We're home! Inumin ni Dan yung kanyang Holland tea. Yes, ito. Ah! So, iinumin niya to once every 2 nights. Meron dito sa schedule. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Prepare ko muna siya. Hindi ko na kailangan gamitin yung ano niya, parang I still do not know what to call this, you guys, or what you call this. Pero hindi ko yung gagamitin kasi meron naman siyang sariling bag. So, like that. Ginamit ko yung ano kasi lumulutang yung tea. So, ito yung first na Holland tea niya. Here, babe. Already. So, i-check ko na to. Ito. Right next sa C. So, S means skinny tea. Tapos C means Holland tea. So, bukas, skinny tea lang. Tapos, yeah. Ganon. And, tingnan natin kung epektibo to, you guys. Sabi niya, maganda daw naman yung feeling niya after niya inumin yung tea. And, 2 beses ka pa lang siya nakainom ng skinny tea. Ito pa lang yung first na Holland tea niya. And, this is supposed to make you, like, you know, parang make you poop. Yeah. So, we'll see kung ano mangyayari after niya i-take to. Buti na lang weekend ngayon. So, Yes, that's it. I have a giveaway nga pala. Sobrang tagal na nito. Hindi naman sobrang tagal, pero matagal na kami nag-usap ng iWhite na instead of isend nila sa bahay yung free iWhite products ko, isend na lang sa isa sa inyo kasi wala naman ako dun. And yung kapatid ko hindi naman niya gagamitin. Anyway, meron akong iWhite giveaway. So, yung mga paborito ko from iWhite, yung 3-Minute Whitening Miracle. I'm not really sure. I will post a picture right now. And yeah, yun yung mga mapapanalunan ng isang winner. So, all you have to do is to be subscribed sa channel na to. And then please like this video. And also comment below. Kahit na anong comment, it will be counted. And dito ko na lang siya i-host. Kasi sa Instagram, mahirap mag-pick sa Instagram. Sobrang hirap. Si Dan nga yung nag-pick last time. Parang, ano lang, parang inano lang niya. Parang inalang niya ng comment. Tapos, ito, tapos pumikit siya, tapos ganon. So, yeah, it's hard to pick sa Instagram. I still do not know what app I can use para makapick ng random comments sa Instagram. Pero for now, it's gonna be on YouTube. So, all you have to do is to comment below. And kahit na anong comment. And yeah, so, I'm not gonna put this sa title. And ito din ay sa super end na ng video. So, walang nakakaalam. Yung mga nanood lang yung nakakaalam na may giveaway pala. So, like this video, be a subscriber, and comment below. And you will get a chance to win iWhite products, yung mga favorite iWhite products ko. And by the way, sa Philippines lang to ha, kasi yung iWhite yung magsasend ng price eh. And, so kahit na sino pwede sumali as long as meron kayong Philippines address na pwede kong pag-deliveran, na pwede kong i-deliver yung price. So, yeah! And that's basically it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, kasi part yun ng giveaway. Please subscribe, kasi part yun ng giveaway. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Good night. Be good. Bye.